So now we've entered into our third and final day of the Rapid Response Additive Manufacturing Initiative and our mock disaster drill number 1, and it is going exceptionally well. So we've produced, we're currently in progress of finishing up about 1,500 headbands across the state, maintained roughly between 55 and 60 printers ongoing since the start point, and the success rates and failure rates are really looking good. So as a whole, as a concept, this has been a really good result. One of the key things to understand about the RRAMI project that is different than most other formats of like training folks is that no one ever actually saw each other. So all the training that was provided to the other 4 sites was completely remote. We never saw them. We never handled their equipment. We never interacted other than on video. So all of the training was virtual, and yet the success rate is as high as it is. All the other sites never actually saw the part files. They had no access to any of the things they are producing now. All they could do was use their equipment and dial it in as effectively as they could prior to that based on our training and tutorials. So in terms of success and being able to send this out on a big scale, we consider this a good approach, a very efficient approach to have the kind of rates of success that we're having and having essentially no interaction and no hands-on interaction from site to site. We consider this to be a great example of what could happen with this type of concept and going forward and adding more sites. When we can actually train virtually, send the equipment directly to a site, get them dialed in and ready to produce, and no one actually has to go there. It's a new world. COVID has changed a lot of the ways that we do things, and virtual training has its ups and downs for sure, but this project has demonstrated what can be possible with virtual training when done correctly and how scalable additive manufacturing can be. We're already turning around and working on adding on more sites to this network and going bigger and farther. So this is your first time of hearing about this. Go back and check out our article and what's been going on. Check out the live feed data and the streams that are coming from several sites. And just really consider if we were capable of doing it at this small number, what could happen if we start scaling it up and doing it larger and larger numbers. So check it out between now and then, or now and 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday morning was when we terminate the project and collect all the data and do our debriefs. And let us know if you have any questions about what's going on with the RRAMI and what the potentials are. We're super proud of all of our sites and how much work they've put into this and the success that they have had. And we think it's extremely exciting for Kentucky and for additive manufacturing in general, to be able to just be doing what it was normally doing and then fire up and pivot and everybody create the same thing at the same time and be able to ship it wherever it needs to be. Thanks for watching. If you like what we've got going on, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check us out, friend us, all that good stuff, and we'll see you later.